Here's a stat you didn't expect: an outdated kitchen faucet can waste over 3,000 gallons of water a year. That's not just bad for the planet, it's quietly draining your wallet. And yet, most of us don't think about our faucet until it's leaking, squeaking, or turning into a full-blown DIY nightmare. But today we're changing that. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet, your go-to source for smart, stylish, and financially sound faucet upgrades. In this buyer's guide, we've handpicked the top 5 kitchen faucets of 2025, balancing performance, design, and long-term savings. If you're investing in your home this year, this is where it starts. Number 1. Delta Leland Touch 2.0, the tech-forward choice. With just a tap of your hand or forearm, the Delta Touch 2.0 springs to life, perfect for messy cooking sessions. It even auto-shuts after a few minutes to save water. Finally, a faucet that listens better than your kids. Its magnetic docking sprayer and spot-resistant finish make it a best-in-class pick for busy households. Number 2. Moan Arbor Motion Sense Wave. If convenience had a faucet, this would be it. Motion Sense lets you wave your hand to activate the flow. No handles, no germs, no fuss. It's like magic, but with water pressure control. Number 3. Kraus Bolden Commercial Style. Love that chef's kitchen look. The Kraus Bolden brings professional-grade power to home kitchens without the restaurant-level price tag. With a compact coil design and powerful dual spray, it's a statement piece that works just as hard as you do. Number 4. Kohler Simplis. Pull down, don't let the minimalist design fool you. This faucet is an efficiency powerhouse. The Simplis blends timeless design with precision performance. It's perfect for those who believe less is truly more. Number 5. Woo Single Handle High Arc. Looking for value? The Woo delivers big performance on a smaller budget. Sleek lines, multiple spray modes, and a rust-resistant body make it a standout under $100. It proves you don't need to break the bank for brilliance. Now here's the twist: most people choose faucets based only on looks. But over time, that choice could cost you in repairs, wasted water, and even property value. These 5 options check every box: style, savings, and serious functionality. But here's the deal: a great faucet is only as good as its installation. In our next video, we'll reveal the 3 biggest faucet installation mistakes that could ruin your kitchen investment and how to avoid them. So if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, make smarter financial moves, and live a more empowered lifestyle, subscribe now and don't miss the follow-up. This has been Kitchen Faucet, where smart living starts at the sink.